When it comes to kitchen appliances, few tools offer the versatility and convenience of a high-quality immersion blender. This Kitchenaid variable speed corded hand blender, KHBV53, in matte black, stands out as a top contender in the realm of hand blenders. Designed to deliver exceptional performance and ease of use, this blender promises to be a game-changer in your culinary arsenal. Let's explore why the Kitchenaid KHBV53 might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. The Kitchenaid KHBV53 combines sleek design with robust functionality. Its matte black finish adds a touch of modern sophistication to any kitchen countertop. But this blender isn't just about looks. Built for performance. The 8-inch removable blending arm features a 4-point stainless steel blade designed for efficiency. Whether you're making smoothies, milkshakes, soups, or sauces, the precision of this blade ensures that your ingredients are blended to perfection. One of the standout features of this hand blender is its variable speed trigger switch. This allows you to take full control over your blending task. Adjust the speed to suit your needs, whether you're gently blending a delicate sauce or pureeing a hearty soup. The ability to customize the speed helps achieve the perfect texture and consistency for all your culinary creation. The Kitchenaid KHBV53 is equipped with a US patented removable pan guard. This innovative feature protects your cookware from scratches while blending. Whether you're using non-stick, stainless steel, or enameled cast iron pots, this pan guard ensures that your cookware remains in pristine condition. It's a thoughtful addition that demonstrates Kitchenaid's commitment to user-friendly design. Included with the blender is a 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with a lid. This jar is perfect for individual blending tasks, such as making a quick smoothie or preparing a small batch of sauce. The jar is designed for convenience, allowing you to blend, serve, and store your creations all in one container. The lid helps keep your blends fresh and ready for later use. Cleanup is a breeze with the Kitchenaid KHBV53. The blending arm and jar are both dishwasher safe, ensuring that you spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying your culinary creation. Simply detach the blending arm and place it in the dishwasher, while the jar can be easily cleaned with the lid on or off. The powerful 4-point stainless steel blade effortlessly handles fruits, vegetables, and ice, making it ideal for crafting delicious smoothies and shakes. The variable speed control allows you to achieve the perfect consistency, whether you prefer a chunky texture or a silky smooth finish. For soups and sauces, the Kitchenaid KHB53 delivers exceptional results. The blending arm reaches deep into pots and bowls, ensuring that your ingredients are blended evenly. From creamy tomato soup to rich, velvety sauces, this blender can handle it all with ease. Parents will appreciate the blender's ability to quickly and easily prepare homemade baby food. The smooth, consistent purees made with the Kitchenaid KHBV53 are perfect for feeding little ones. Additionally, it can be used to whip up dips, dressings, and even batters for baking. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful performance, 4-point stainless steel blade, and variable speed control for precision. Innovative features: US patented pan guard protects cookware, and BPA-free blending jar is versatile. Easy cleanup, dishwasher safe components, and user-friendly design. Compact and stylish, sleek matte black finish and compact size fit easily in any kitchen. Cons: corded design, limited mobility compared to cordless models. Power cord storage. Power cord may need to be managed during storage to avoid tangling. Final thoughts: the Kitchenaid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender, KHBV53, is a versatile and reliable kitchen tool that offers exceptional performance and convenience. Its combination of powerful blending capabilities, innovative features, and stylish design makes it a valuable addition to any home cook's kitchen. Whether you're blending soups, making smoothies, or preparing baby food, this hand blender provides the control and efficiency needed to create delicious dishes. Ease. If you're in the market for a high-quality immersion blender that delivers both style and substance, Kitchenaid KHBV53 is worth considering. Its thoughtful design and robust performance ensure that it will quickly become a staple in your culinary toolkit. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.